What's up, everybody? Kaylor here with another edition of Pre-Market Prep, 9 a.m. Rocking and rolling, ready to go, ready to see what's going to happen with the earnings season kicking off. We've got options expiring. We're gonna see some chop in the market, or maybe some rips and roars. So it's going to be one of those days where I'm going to be watching closely, trying to find the good plays, going over IPOs, the stocks that are reporting earnings, looking at the sentiment towards what's going to happen after the earnings with some software that we purchased. If you remember, coming in here, smash that like, kick, punch, elbow, drop it. But we're not here to give you investment advice. We're here to give you information, and everything you hear here is strictly to be used for informational services only, not investment advice. So I appreciate you guys coming in here every day with me. I'm excited to be here with you guys, and I'm hoping that the chat jumps off, tells us what they're looking at in the market, gets us excited to see that there's a little bit of participation out there. So what we were looking at is we have Delta Airlines is going to be doing some earnings. We were looking at the plays for the lawnmower industry. So if you're a outdoor person, or if you've been spring cleaning outdoors, doing your weed eating, your mowing, doing all that stuff, gardening, well, I'm bullish in that sector. So I'll be looking at stocks or companies. Good morning, kid. What's up? I'm looking for stocks that are going to be benefiting from the spring weather and people being outdoors, spending money on flowers and on mulch and on lawnmowers. And then that brings us to the new idea that's in our head is, how about AI lawnmowers? So take a look, do some Googling, YouTubing, take a look at some companies that are producing electric GPS style automatic lawnmowers where you can just boom, hit a button, mow your lawn. You're not even out there. Doesn't matter. Just like the little Roomba bot or whatever they call them, the little iRobots that clean your floors in your house. Mowing grass now. So pretty cool, exciting stuff. New things that are happening in the market. Coinbase IPO, what's going to happen there? Big news headline. They're saying that cryptocurrency is going to go booming. So watching the cryptocurrency, watching what's going on with the Coinbase IPO. Hamza, good morning. You are the man. Let us know what you guys are looking at, Hamza. Let us know, kid, the crypto guy. Is there a stock? Is there a ticker that you guys are looking at? Drop it in the chat. How are you feeling today? Are you bullish this market? Are you in between? Are you buying or selling straddles? What are you doing? How are you working with this market? What are the ideas that you have in the chat? Let us know, because we are interested in what you guys have to say. So if you're on the Facebook, I'm sorry, we are watching the live chat on the YouTube. You can kick over to our YouTube channel at Elite Trading on YouTube. Please hit that subscribe button. It really helps us out. Hit that like. We need to help with the algos. We need 1,000 subscribers. So if you care and you want to be a part of this team, you want to help us, go to that YouTube page, hit subscribe. We appreciate it. And make sure you drop a comment below. Hit that like. Do all the fun stuff to help us with the algo. So let's kick it over. Let's get you to the newsletter right now, everybody. Hey, you're back. I knew you guys. So we're going to go over this daily newsletter thing that we do daily, every day. That's why we call it the daily newsletter with Elite Trading. So it's 4/12/2021. And what do we have for you here? We have the quote of the day. It's a shorty. Know what you own and know why you own it. Peter Lynch. Bulls of the day. REPX, OSTK, FBIO, SOHU, and RIDE. Bears. KARO, IGMS, ZNTL, and BCYC. We have the daily news. Uber posts record gross bookings in March as ride-hailing demands pick up. So let's talk about this. My sister-in-law, brother-in-law, I've had this in 2 occasions in the last week where they could not get a ride or food dropped off in a timely manner. So one, could not find a ride, period. Another instance, could not find a ride at all from Uber, could not get a hold of an Uber or a Lyft. They just were not available in their area. They're either all downtown or they're just not out in these suburban areas. So what are they going to do to change that? For me, I can't depend on Uber if I'm out doing something, enjoying myself, having an alcoholic beverage possibly, or something like that, where I can't trust that they're going to be there to pick me up. So me brings a bear case for the Uber until they can fix that, in my opinion, because if you're not able to pick people up, what are you doing? Trying to feed everybody, stealing the money from the restaurants? That's about it. It's what I can think of. So Lyft, you're my guys for now. I'll be checking you out. Hopefully, you're not the one telling me you can't pick me up too. What are we going to go back to? Taxis again? Are we going to start calling the local Dano's taxi here in Cincinnati, Ohio? I don't know. We'll see. ETF investors say Coinbase listing will cause explosion in the crypto investing. So if you are a crypto investor and you're looking at Coinbase and you're a crypto person, Kid Frank's talking to you, you're a crypto person and you're looking at, that's just something we do here in our states. You are looking at Coinbase as a stock to trade. So what are your opinions? What do you think about future crypto becoming more welcomed into the stock market, if that's the sense that you want to use, or the word you want to use, you know what I mean. But these are all, just so you guys know, these are all top headlines that we find that we got on CNBC through our bot and the AI bots. It drops, boom, 5 headlines. You can see them right away. You don't have to skim through. You know what's hot because it's right there. It's in blue. It's highlighted. And then you can maybe base some trades off of that news bot. So, health and science, India overtakes Brazil to become the second worst hit country as COVID cases soar. Now, I'm going to talk a little bit about this as well, because India, I was watching a Russell Brand video on YouTube where he was talking about how there was over 10,000 farmers that committed suicide due to these agricultural laws that are coming in place and how it's going to affect us as a people globally. So maybe you guys want to take a look at that. I think it's pretty cool. It's not cool, obviously. It's terrible. I meant like it's an interesting article. It's an interesting video. So it might be something that would interest you. General Motors backed Cruise as it set the expand self-driving operations to Dubai in 2023. So GM, once again, bullish GM. We think they're going to be the leading EV maker in the world eventually. And don't count GM out of this. They are the number one, in my opinion. Watching APHA earnings, KOPN, OCGN, and MGM, baby. Let's go. All right, you guys ready to kick this off and go to the charts with me? If you are, please smash that like button, kick it, punch it, elbow drop it, subscribe to the YouTube, drop a comment. Let's go look at the charts. Hey, what's up, guys? We're back. There's the charts here. We have SPY up. We have APHA, QQQ. And, you know, the pre-market, APHA, looking oversold, 14.96 with a 1.32 drop, $1.32 at 8.11% down. EPS estimates, 0.008 US dollar. All right, we have SPY. How are we looking, SPY? SPY down 0.31, 0.30 now, 0.07%. Not due, pretty much open and flat. We have the QQQ at 336.45, down 0.66 at 0.20. And, I'm going to pull up something I think was interesting. Let's pull up the markets here. So we have the markets here. This is a 52-week right here of stocks that have performed well. Number one, MARA, M-A-R-A. We got in at that at, I think, $15. We did not get in on Microvision, AMTX. We did get in on Riot and traded that one. Kirk's not on our list. I have not traded that. So these are ones that I'm adding to anything on here that I haven't traded, I'm going to add to my list. So KOPN, never traded. Blink, I've traded. GME, I've traded. NTZ, never traded. Kirk, KIRK, never traded it. And AMTX and MVIS, I do have a little bit of a portion in that. So we'll be looking at these bad boys coming up. Now, what I like to do is I like to scroll to the bottom of the list. Well, it's not going to let me go all the way to the bottom, is it? In a timely manner. So let's just say we'll go down here and we start looking for possible entries on some beaten up, forgotten about stocks. Companies that are forgotten about. The largest growth scaling that has ever happened is happening right now in the cryptocurrency. The inflow of new investors, exchanges, and ETFs being released are going to stabilize the market. Quote, end quote, Kid Franks in the comment section. Drop in there, comment, tell him what you think about that. He also said, expect a lot of volatility and do research before entering any positions. Good advice, Mr. Kid Franks. So let's pull up the... Get out of this one. Let's get out of here. Let's go to the IPO Center. We have EBET, Esports Technologies. Write that one down. I like anything to do with esports, online sports betting. Come on, our kids. I'm coaching a flag football team, and I'm a 12-year football player bashing and smashing my head against people my whole life, and I'm teaching kids how to pull flags. So you got to be progressive and get in with the changes of times. We might be watching professional flag football here eventually because of all the concussions in the next 10 years. So we'll see. IFBD, Coinbase IPO, ALKT, AGL, KRT, APP, NPCT. I sound like I'm rapping. All right, let's take a look at those. So I'm writing EBET down. Get your pen out, get your paper out, write these down, take a look at them, put them in your watch list, and be ready to rock and roll with some nice IPOs popping and dropping and locking here. Almost done writing mine down. I like to write them down because I don't want it to come back and look at this while I'm trying to trade. So you can go here. This is all in Webull. So if you have Webull, you can download Webull and you can get in here and you have a calendar. You can see what earnings are coming up. You have APHA, BHTG, SLP, BFRA, TC, TWAN-G. You have CAN, you have MindP, Mind Technology, OGI, FAST, SEAC. These are just tickers you may not have ever even heard of. But when you get in here, you can find them. Or you get into the Elite Trading server and you can follow this stuff with us every day because that's what we do all day. Sit here and trade, build a company, help others build companies. We've got guys in here that have never even stepped foot in the trading world ever that are now trading daily, doing multiple trades every day. We have a whole crypto team that talks all crypto all day long, dropping news, dropping research, going over it. And, it's fun. Get in there, join us, have fun with us. If you don't even like trading and you just want to talk stuff about business and you want to help with building a website, logo, development, if you want to do any type of integrations for your company, whether it's building you a online store, if you're looking to sell products, if you sell products currently from home and you want to sell online, we can help you with that stuff and we can guide you through it. We're not going to charge you just for a consultation. We'll talk to you about it and let you know what you can do if you want to choose to use services that we can offer or people that we know that have services to help you, like an audio engineer, video engineer, clothing, anything like that. That's what you get with this group. It's not just trading stocks. You get multiple things. So when all the people out there go, man, are you a day trader that's selling yourself as a day trader? I said, I'm not selling myself. I'm selling a team of people and an idea that you can get in, join in, and learn and grow and build yourself as a trader, as an entrepreneur, as an investor, as a person. There's a lot of stuff to grow, and you need a team to grow. You can't do it all on your own. Dividends. Let's see who's got some dividend plays. I know you guys get out of here, Kaylor. You're in the way. All right, slide over. Dividends, AMT, AAME, MOMO. Gotta write Momo down. That is a ticker that's worth money. That's like buying into a website or something. I would like Momo. I'm weird. I say that a lot. You guys have heard me over the last years or so. I'm talking about tickers that I like just for the name of I don't even care what the company is selling. I don't want to say anything that's going to offend anybody. So if they're selling something crazy, but they're not making any money, sometimes you can literally see movement on a new ticker or a ticker that becomes popular because of just the name. It happens. Easy to remember. Stuff that's easy to remember is easy. You know, for traders, we want easy tickers. We don't want 12 characters. We don't want that going on where you CMRE and da 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 da. I want to see LSI, GES. I like easy ones. Three to four symbols in the ticker. Letters, anyway. All right, so hey, how many likes do we have? We've had, I think, 4 or 5 views in here. I want 5 likes at least. Come on. Everybody in here, make sure you hit that like, hit that subscribe. Do it for the Vine, like they used to say. Do it for the quick video. What I say in the group the other day, short videos need love too, you know. My stomach is growling. I hope you guys can't hear that. I am hungry. Wifey did not bring me breakfast this morning. She is slacking. Best performing industries in the last day. COE, AFYA, CAE, and UTI. So we have the professional and business education sectors. Home building and household goods. What I freaking tell you, I didn't even see that. I knew that we were going to do good with home building and household goods. Go buy your lawnmower. I know you need some string for the weed whacker. Your yard is looking crappy. Get out there and clean it up if you're not. Construction and engineering, they are building everywhere, whether it's for COVID expansion, for expanding offices. They may have to be bigger so they can have more people. And if you're wanting to hire more people already, now you're going to have an even bigger facility. So lots of construction going on. Specialty retailers like Build-A-Bear. Man, how do I not have stock in Build-A-Bear? I own 20 of those effing things for my kids. You know, we go there every year for the birthday. They get the free bear, then they buy the accessories. You need the doll, or the clothing. You need the hat. Then it needs shoes, and then the Build-A-Bear needs a car. And you know, they get you. They're good. I'll give you that. You are good salespeople there. They're like, look at this candy shop of bears for these kids. And the kids just like, I want, gimme. Containers and packaging. Boring. I'm not going to touch that one. That's something my wife, there's a store in Westchester that you can get, it's like all containers, I think it's called The Container Store. So that I'm gonna put that in my wife's portfolio. You get to, honey, go pick out your favorite container company because they are doing pretty good. I think this is one of the longest lives I've ever done. So we're 18 minutes and 51 seconds into the live. You know what that means? Elbow drop that like, baby. What do we got? I hurt. I hit my elbow with my wedding ring, and that actually really hurt. All right, so cryptos. Let's pull up the cryptos. We don't do that. We're going to do crypto for the Crypto King, Kid Franks, that's in the lobby today. ZEC Dash XLM Bitcoin Cash Litecoin Ethereum Bitcoin Dogecoin XRP EOS TRX XMR ETC NEO BTG VET. Now you can see them on the list. Take a look at those. I mean, they are on different exchanges, as you can see. You have, I think it's I am not a crypto person. I think it's at Bitfinex. Bitfinex. I don't know. CCC. You've got, let's look at Ethereum. Ethereum had a open at 2147. Previous close. The time to buy Ethereum was last year, baby. Oh, I think it was at like $200. It makes my stomach hurt just thinking about it. Where was Kid Franks back last year getting me into the Ethereum? Where were you, man? He's here now, though. That's all that matters. 223 million in volume on XRP. That's a lot. Look at that compared to all the others. I see you as Vet in the chat, kid. I see Vet in there. Vet is actually got the second, or no, it's close. Third highest volume on here. It's only 13 cents. One thing I don't like about Webull, which I don't say a lot of negative things about Webull because they are a great start out company for people who are new to trading, is why put a ticker symbol on your webs or on your brokerage if you can't trade it? I don't know. Maybe they want to collect search results and see if it's something they want to take on. I don't know. I don't really know how that works, honestly. Can I trade this? Hold on. That wasn't the right one. I swear, didn't it say it was point? Let's go back. Yeah, vet US dollar 0.13. Oh, there we go. That's the one. That's the baby. Vet USD. Vet USD. Not tradable. See that? Not. Oh, you can't see that. Not tradable. Look at that. Bull crap. Not tradable. I know, understand that. Need your help to help me understand that. So, I don't know. It's been a long session, long morning. We've got 6 minutes to the open. O'Doyle rules. Don't sue me for that, please, Adam Sandler. But, we love you guys. Stay blessed. Stay in the green. Hope you enjoyed your session today. Let's keep these going every morning. Join me here, 9 a.m. pre-market prep with Elite Trading, with the group, with the team. Jump in the chat. Hit the like. Hit the button. Subscribe. Elbow drop. You know all this stuff. We say it a lot. But we love you guys. So keep coming in. Join with us. Learn. Grow. Build something for yourself with Elite Trading. An Elite Nation, baby. Elite Nation is what we are. So 23 minutes in.